Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're doing awesome. Today we will talk about a few e-commerce trends that will have a major impact in 2022. If you're able to incorporate these strategies, you will be able to bring your business to the next level. Businesses have been working to keep up with continued e-commerce growth, and it's crucial to incorporate changes in your strategies to adapt to the new e-commerce trends. E-commerce has now become mainstream for people of all ages. The popularity of e-commerce has exploded in recent years. No longer are we limited to the four walls of our local stores, but now we can order almost anything online and get it delivered to our doorsteps in just a few days. The convenience is unparalleled, with the added bonus that most items are cheaper since they don't have to cover costs of a storefront, employees, and other overhead. Be it books, clothing, gadgets, or groceries. These days you can order anything online just by clicking a few buttons on your smartphone or desktop. This is the power of e-commerce. E-commerce has made it easier for small brands to compete by giving them the same opportunities as big brands. Not only can you run a successful B2C business, but by taking advantage of e-commerce features like payment gateways and shipping, you leave more time to focus on your core business. But even companies operating in a true omni-channel world need to stay ahead of e-commerce trends and keep up with customer demands to remain competitive. By leveraging the right e-commerce trends at the right time, even small businesses have the opportunity to disrupt the established markets. Let's now talk about a few strategies that have the potential to skyrocket your business in 2022. Number 1. Seamless customer support through chatbots. You should make it easy for your customers to contact your company via the methods they want to use. Make sure you offer support through all of their preferred contact channels, like live chat, phone, email, social media, or text. You can do this by incorporating chatbots in your customer contact points. Chatbots can be a great help when it comes to customer service. They are also good at enhancing the user experience, which is crucial for improving your business's performance. They are revolutionizing customer service by providing instant 24/7 customer service. They can improve your business's performance by creating a personalized and interactive experience for the user. Chatbots can act as a resource to lead shoppers to the right pages and make them keep coming back to your business. At number 2, we have personalized marketing. Personalization is not just about greeting your customers by their name when they visit the website. They expect a seamless omni-channel experience that requires having a human touch. Machine learning, sophisticated website features, and online tracking are certainly making it easier to tailor individualized experiences to satisfy customers' needs. Try to incorporate these into your business to retain your customers. Personalizing products at a mass scale is also a great opportunity to boost sales. Maximizing your customer experience is always a priority, and companies who create campaigns that are tailored to individual customers generate higher returns. Next comes social commerce and live shopping. It has been reported that more than 200 Instagram users visit a specific brand every day, and 58% of its followers are interested in products they see on the platform stories. So it's not just an app for staying in touch with your friends. It helps to promote brands too. Social media giants such as Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp have been quick to embrace social commerce. The Meta-owned social media platforms have grown a lot over the last few years. For example, we have gone from Instagram and Facebook shopping to offering more creative options for WhatsApp Business and Facebook Marketplace. Brands now have the opportunity to link the products they're mentioning in live streams. More recently, Facebook and Instagram's live streaming features allow brands to directly link to products they're talking about. As e-commerce progresses, there will be more changes to the shopping features present on these social media giants. Be sure to keep an eye out for these features and try to incorporate them into your own strategies. The next one is AI and upselling and cross-selling techniques. AI and machine learning have the ability to provide a personalized shopping experience for your customers. These algorithms can predict the customer's shopping habits by taking into consideration their shopping and browsing history. The ability of machine learning to predict what a customer wants with a high degree of accuracy is beneficial for retailers. This system is helping many customers save time from browsing through endless pages of products. A lot of retailers don't have the necessary volume of data needed for true AI, but there are some ERP and CRM systems with machine learning features to help you cross-sell and upsell your products to the customers. The next ecom strategy that we will talk about is diverse payment methods. Customers should be given as many payment methods as possible during checkout, as this will help build trust, reduce cart abandonment, and encourage them to spend more on your products. Customers want the ability to choose their preferred payment method during checkout. Businesses that diversify their payment technology are more likely to bring in greater revenue. More consumers are opting for interest-free finance, thanks to services like Buy Now, Pay Later. With one-click payment options, it's easier than ever for customers to shop online without any hassle. Shoppers are looking for more flexibility when it comes to their purchases. So using these payment strategies can boost your sales by a huge amount. The last one is mobile commerce. It's no secret that mobile commerce is on the rise. It has been reported that mobile shoppers in the US will double by 2025. And to stay on top of the competition, your business needs to provide an easy and engaging experience for them. A great way to boost your e-commerce business is with a mobile commerce experience. This means that you need to have a website that can be viewed on a smartphone or tablet, and the web design needs to be completely optimized for this platform. Even social media apps are incorporating and upgrading shoppable features in the app itself in order to make the shopping experience a seamless one for the customers who are using the apps on their smartphones. In addition, you should consider adding features such as push notifications, mobile content, and SMS messaging in order to keep your customers coming back again and again. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now. Until next time, I'm Alice from Stand Out.